नमस्कार, मी परत आलो आणि हा शेवटचा येणार आहे, सारखा येणार नाही आहे. कारण काय हे दोन्ही इनिशिएटिव्ह्स मला खूप क्लोज टू हार्ट आहेत. या दोन्ही इनिशिएटिव्हमध्ये जी टेक्नॉलॉजी आम्ही वापरली ती जरी माझ्याकडे नसली तरी कोण वापरू शकतात अशी माणसं कनेक्ट झालेली होती. अनेक वर्षापासून आणि गेल्या वर्षी आपण गरजे मराठीच्या उपक्रमात सांगितलं होतं, समिटमध्ये सांगितलं होतं की गरजे मराठीचा एक ध्येय आहे की each and every home of Marathi community should become a business house. सो आपण सगळ्यांनी जर बिझनेस हाऊस बनायचं असेल तर त्यासाठी काय करायला लागेल याच्यावरती आम्ही बरेच दिवस विचार करत होतो. आजपासून 1.5 महिन्यापूर्वी मी आमच्या ग्रुपवरती जे आज अटेंड करणार आहेत एलिट ग्रुप आहे त्याच्यावरती टाकलं होतं की आपल्याला अशी मार्केट प्लेस करता येईल का की ज्याद्वारे भारतातनं महाराष्ट्रातनं जे छोटे मोठे एंटरप्रिनर्स आहेत, मॅन्युफॅक्चरर्स आहेत, घरी काम करणारे बायका आहेत, आर्टिसन्स आहेत, त्यांची प्रॉडक्ट्स आपल्याला अमेरिकेत विकता येतील का? त्यांची प्रॉडक्ट विकण्यासाठी आपल्याला गरजे मराठीचा हा एवढा मोठा संसार आहे, परिवार आहे, त्यातल्या प्रत्येकाची मार्केटियर म्हणून मदत घेता येईल का असा मी प्रश्न टाकला होता. अँड यू नॉट बिलीव्ह 2 दिवसामध्ये गौरव देशमुख, सचिन जुन्नरकर, महेश काटे आणि मयूर नार यांचा रिप्लाय आला. ह्या चौघांनी ह्या क्षेत्रामध्ये प्रचंड काम केले. आज गौरव देशमुख ड्यू टू एअरलाईन प्रॉब्लेम्स येऊ नाही शकला. त्यांनी इतकं काम केलं आणि गेले 1.5-2 महिने त्यांनी प्रचंड मेहनत घेऊन आपण त्यातल्या काही जे आम्ही सॉफ्टवेअर वापरली किंवा काही जे प्लॅटफॉर्म वापरले ते ह्याच लोकांनी ह्याच तिघांपैकी एकेकांनी आपापल्या स्वतःच्या खर्चाने स्वतःच्यासाठी 4-4 वर्ष डेव्हलप केलेले प्लॅटफॉर्म त्यांनी प्रॅक्टिकली गरजे मराठीसाठी व्हाईट लेवलसारखे उचलून दिले की फक्त वर्षी नावं बदला सर प्लॅटफॉर्म तुमचं आहे. सो इट इज रिअली कमेंडेबल. सो मी जास्त बोलणार नाही आहे कारण काय देर इज लॉट ऑफ टेक्नॉलॉजी इन्व्हॉल्ड बट देर इज लॉट ऑफ फ्युचर. आणि जेव्हा हे मी अनाऊन्स केलं आणि जेव्हा ह्यांचे उपक्रम आणि हे कसे मदत करतात सांगितलं तेव्हा आपले आदरणीय नरेंद्र काळे आणि गिरीश चितळे ह्या दोघांनी मला मेसेज केला की गानू धिस कॅन बी गेम चेंजर. गिरीश चितळे सगळ्यांनाच माहिती आहेत. गिरीश चितळ्यांनी तर मला असं लिहिलं की इफ गरजे मराठी डज धिस विच गरजे मराठी विल देन यू आर लिव्हिंग माय ड्रीम. सो हा इतका चांगला प्रोग्राम आपण करतोय. सो आय वुड रिक्वेस्ट सचिन as per you wish, please take over and explain and let us launch this www.garjemarathi.mahamarketplace.com ही website. Please take it.
Thank you, Anilji. So, while she loads the slides, माझं नाव सचिन जुन्नरकर. मी माझी फॅमिली मूळची जुन्नरची, छत्रपती शिवाजी महाराजांचा जन्मस्थान आणि नंतर मुंबईत वाढलेला. आणि विल टॉक अबाउट महामार्केट प्लेस. या स्लाइडवर आमच्या सगळ्या टीम मेंबर्सची नावं आहेत, त्यांची ओळख करून देतो. ॲडवायझरी बोर्डवर आनंदजी, विजयजी आणि आज गौरव देशमुख नाही येऊ शकला. ही इज ऑन झूम कॉल, सो गिव्ह हिम अ बिग हँड. वी हॅव महेश काटे आणि मयूर नर. आपल्याला बऱ्याचदा ही क्रिटिसिझम मिळते की मराठी माणूस धंदा करत नाही. आज मी तुमच्यासमोर आलो आहे टू रिफ्यूट दिस क्रिटिसिझम आणि त्याचं प्रूफ इकडे दाखवतोय मी तुम्हाला. वाय इज महामार्केट प्लेस क्लोज टू माय हार्ट. माणेघाट जी जुन्नर जवळची जागा आहे तिथे 2nd सेंचुरी BCE चे अवशेष सापडले. this is one of the world's most ancient trade routes. 24 centuries, 24 centuries have passed. And महाराष्ट्रीयन माणूस आज अजूनही इथे आहे आणि आपण इथे धंदा करतोय. हा सेकंड सेंचुरी BCE चा प्रूफ दाखवून आपण थांबणार नाही आहोत. We are the torch bearers of our ancestors. And we want to bring this trade route into the 21st century. Government of Maharashtra has put a target of doubling the exports to the US in the next 4 to 5 years. In 2022, the exports were at $72 billion, and we have a target of $150 billion to meet in 4 years. Will we meet this target in absence of Maha Marketplace? Probably we will. But we are here to ask you, how much of that 78 or so billion we will bring to Maha Marketplace? And that's what we are here for today. And my friend Mahesh Kate will tell you how we will get there. Mahesh.
Welcome to MahaMarketplace.com, your ultimate gateway to top quality authentic products and services from Maharashtra's finest vendors. Discover unique items at unbeatable prices and support small businesses through our platform. Whether you're looking for exceptional deals for trusted Maharashtrian products, buying in bulk, or launching your own retail business, Maha Marketplace is your premier destination. As a vendor, you will be able to expand your reach with Maha Marketplace, list your products and services, and connect with broader global buyers. Our platform offers a seamless experience, allowing you to focus on delivering exceptional products, sell in bulk to global businesses or in retail to consumers. We offer flexible and cost-effective subscription models for your business benefits. Ready to be a marketer and start your own business? Whether selling through social media or local communities, Maha Marketplace platform gives you the best value to grow your business. On Maha Marketplace, you can buy and sell not only physical products, but also digital products. You can avail and provide Zoom or Google Meet-based services, including chess and music classes, yoga, and physiotherapy. There's something for everyone. Maha Marketplace uses cutting-edge technology, advanced supply chain solutions for efficient delivery models, data analytics and AI to support your business. At Maha Marketplace, our mission is to promote unique, authentic, premium Maharashtrian products and services and enrich lives and empower small and medium-sized businesses. Maha Marketplace, connecting Maharashtrian businesses to global opportunities. Join today.
Hi everyone, myself Mahesh Kate. I am from Aklus, district Solapur. Currently I am working as an EV lead engineer responsible for product design, management, development and launch. I feel fortunate to be part of this initiative. Am I audible? So, as I mentioned, I feel fortunate. We have a great team here, and we got the feedback. This is a great initiative, and this is awesome. This will be the game changer. That's the feedback we got when we started discussing this initiative. As Anandji mentioned, few weeks back, it was an initiative, and today is a reality. So that reality, we need passion. Their reality need to change to execution, that need a discipline, that we need a support as a community. So when we launched on 24th July as a beta version, where we invited all vendors, and that get communicated through WhatsApp or through internal the connections. We got 100 plus vendor registrations. I feel that is a great achievement. Within a 1 week, we have those and still counting. I think we should give a good applause. So that's a team effort, that's a community believing in us that we'll make this successful. So even with the beta version, we have the unwavering focus, we have utmost priority to keep the payment gateway secured, keep the data and privacy in place. So that rest assured will be there. And as we expecting, this will be the global platform, and this is done by Maharashtrian or by Maharashtrian for Maharashtra, and eventually for global to be beyond this platform. And I'll just on the screen what we see is the current website pages. When the vendor get registered, they will have their own dashboard where they can add their product, as you see on the right side on the screen. Okay. So that's the platform where that vendor get their own dashboard. They can add their products. They'll add their descriptions, weight, like all the attributes will be there. Once those get approved, it will be displayed onto the main screen. That's the front page of the website, where individual buyer like you can get that the purchase to one click. So two platforms are connected here, like B2C and B2B. Those are embedded into one platform, which is Maha Marketplace. So someone has already their business and they want to be on the platform, so they will set up their own store. They will have their own dashboard where they can manage their all functionality of the business. So same thing, if you have any professional services, like if you have like accounting, you have any small businesses, you have the e-learning classes, e-learning institutes, they can set up their own store and they can manage the entire backend. So they don't need to have their own website and manage all the backend. So everything is taken care of here. Same thing as a buyer, you will see the dashboard where you can have the wholesaler can put their products there. You as a seller, distributor, you can get connected with the buyer, and you have the entire platform on one click away. So I like to invite Mayur to take on from here. He will display about that platform journey and the roadmap which we want to achieve, and we need a community support. As I mentioned, today it's a reality and we are making this happen, and it will be definitely, we want to make it big. Without your support, it's definitely not there, because we are as a buyer, we need everyone's support. Thank you.
नमस्कार मंडळी, आवाज येतोय? धन्यवाद महेश. माझं क्विक इंट्रोडक्शन. मी मयूर नर, मूळचा तसा कोकण, देवगड, कणकवली तिकडे शिक्षण झालं, आणि नंतर आता डिमॉइन आयोवा ॲग्रिकल्चर स्टेट ऑफ US तिकडे असतो. तर माझा बॅकग्राऊंड क्विकली, मी सप्लाय चेन डोमेनमध्ये काम करतो. आय बिल्ड फ्यू प्रोडक्ट्स इन मार्केट प्लेस अँड सप्लाय चेन प्रोडक्ट फॉर Amazon. Over 10 years of journey with Amazon. Then I started my own couple of startups in e-commerce industry. Built organic food marketplace back in India. Worked with 5 states. So multiple visit to farmers, vendors across, mostly in the south part of India, Telangana, Andhra. Then one company is into the e-commerce analytics, mostly the logistic tech company. तर जेव्हा आनंदजींनी या विषयाबद्दल म्हणाले, तर it didn't take a second to even say yes, because my expertise and skill set I can utilize directly for Maharashtra, and then building a marketplace for authentic Maharashtrian products and making them reach globally. So we'll quickly cover the roadmap section here. We will not take much time. So 7th July, when the concept got talked, and what you see here today is the tech product already being launched. So that's a great example of what a passionate team of people, a small team of passionate people with a skill set can do. And with this kind of a thing, you can see what heights we can reach. So our vision is very big, and I'm just covering 2 years of roadmap, but you can imagine what all things that we keep discussing as a passionate folks. म्हणजे जस्ट आयडियाज डिस्कस होत असतात, त्या आयडियाचं स्ट्रॅटेजीमध्ये कन्वर्जन होतं, स्ट्रॅटेजीचं प्रोडक्ट्समध्ये होतं, आणि हे डे इन अँड आउट जे 15 दिवसामध्ये मी स्वतः बघितलं, द वे द वर्क टीम हॅज वर्क. I really feel if the more people can join these initiatives, and I'm sure everyone has that skill set as well as passion for Maharashtra to take it forward. We can reach higher heights that way. तर आता सध्याचा आमचं असं प्लॅन आहे की द नेक्स्ट फेस्टिव्ह सीजन विच इज कमिंग दसरा दिवाळी, हाऊ कॅन वी युटिलाइज दिस प्लॅटफॉर्म टू द बिगेस्ट, सेट अप द business processes, onboard as many vendors as possible. We have already started talking to few of the vendors in Maharashtra, and then provide them more vendor experience related capabilities like analytics, board असतील, products cataloging असेल, ते onboardingचे सेशन्स आम्ही घ्यायला चालू करू. त्यानंतर आम्ही लॉजिस्टिक्स जसं काय सर आता मीटिंग आहे आमची त्यांच्याबरोबर, तर वी रिअली वॉन्ट टू थँक हिम फॉर कमिंग फॉरवर्ड टू हेल्प अस आउट हिअर. सो वी विल हॅव द लॉजिस्टिक delivery coverage as well as we will also talk about the international shipping and the customs. So these are the major challenges that any vendor from Maharashtra faces to reach out to the world, right? So as more people will join, their expertise and the experience will start helping us out to grow beyond Maharashtra and beyond India. So we will start enabling those aspects. Then there is technological capabilities that we will start building on the customer facing. Sachin, Gaurav, they are building, already talking about how can we start enabling and making it more AI-enabled customer service. They already have some platforms built in, and then we will start integrating them. So roadmap has a lot of aspects which will enhance the customer service as well as enhance the vendor experience. And then on the other part, we will also look at what are the legal aspect and the logistical aspect to reach to as many people as possible. Moving to the action item. आता 15 दिवसामध्ये टीमने भरपूर काही करून इथपर्यंत आणलं आहे. त्याच्या पुढे न्यायचं असेल तर तुमचा सगळ्यांचा सहभाग खूप आवश्यक आहे. 3 मेजर सेगमेंट आहेत इकडे. एक आहे वेंडर्स. वेंडर्स इन्क्लूड्स मॅन्युफॅक्चरर्स असतील, सेलर्स असतील, त्यांचे स्वतःचे प्रोडक्ट्स आहेत. आणि जास्तीत जास्त वेंडर्सपर्यंत आम्हाला रिच आउट करायचं आहे, त्यांचं कॅटलॉग घेऊन यायचं आहे, त्यांना ट्रेनिंग द्यायची आहे. वी विल हॅव अ स्टॉल हिअर, सो एनीवन प्रेझेंट हिअर can please feel free to reach out. We will do on the go onboarding. But if you know anyone back in India, back in Maharashtra, please help us connect with them and we will reach out to them to onboard them. Second is important buyer. As every entrepreneur knows, everything working backwards from customer, what customer needs, right? And their interest keeps changing, their requirements keep changing. So we want more buyers to come on the platform, try it out. We are still like whatever feedback that you will have, we will want to improve on that. At the same time, provide your interest. What are the kind of products that you would like to see? Right? Based on that, we can start prioritizing the vendors, so we can start providing the feedback to vendors. Okay, these are the things that people are looking for, and then we can increase the chances of having more and more transactions, relevant transactions. Third aspect is marketer. I want to take a minute to explain that, because every discussion that we had in last 15 days, every time Anandji was saying, how can I empower more entrepreneurs, how can I increase more entrepreneurs, Malaysian entrepreneurs, and that's why he is one focusing on marketers, where a passionate folks who are passionate for Malaysian products want to get into the entrepreneurship, where they can start promoting these products and the services in their local ecosystem. So Maha Marketplace can act as a one-stop shop to take care of a lot of operational aspect of it and making it available to you. But as a marketer, you can take it forward on your own. So it's an entrepreneurship as well as the passion that gets combined here. The last notion on that slide was, which each one of us can do, is volunteering, supporting and promoting. In that way, you can just promote within your friends and family, support over social media, volunteer with your skill set, like if you have understanding the legal aspect, customs aspect, logistic aspect, टेक्नॉलॉजी, मार्केटिंग, म्हणजे कोणताही बिझनेस म्हणालो की आपण सगळेच फंक्शन्स येतात, आणि ईच वन ऑफ अस हॅज लर्न्ड ओव्हर सम ऑफ अदर स्किल सेट ओव्हर द इयर्स. सो इफ यू कॅन कंट्रीब्यूट टू इट, you can just imagine what height we can take it to. So I would like to take a stop here and we request Anandji to kind of put his views on this one.